Are you planning to design your dining and kitchen area using an industrial interior design style? You're in the right video. This is the continuation of our industrial design style loft apartment series. Designing a dining and kitchen area in an industrial style can be incredibly rewarding, offering a unique blend of modern, rustic, and urban vibes. However, people often encounter several common problems when trying to achieve this look. Some of this are balancing cold and warm elements, overdoing the industrial theme, managing open layouts, limited storage, maintaining an authentic look. But in this video, we will help you to overcome these problems. We will give you tips on how to design an industrial interior design style dining and kitchen area. Plus, we will provide you with a budget-friendly option, and all the products are from Amazon and other online sites. So if you find something you like, it's available online. Link of products in the description below. Let's get started. Creating an industrial-style dining and kitchen area involves a blend of raw, functional elements with a dash of modern flair. Here are 6 important tips to help you achieve this look. First, expose structural elements. Embrace the raw beauty of your space by exposing structural elements like brick walls, beams, ductwork, or pipes. For the flooring, use concrete or wood. And for a budget-friendly option, you can use laminated wood. These features are signature marks of industrial design, adding character and authenticity to your dining and kitchen area. Next, use a neutral and earthy color palette. Stick to neutral and earthy tones like grays, blacks, whites, and browns. These colors create a backdrop that allows industrial materials to stand out. Adding accents in burnt orange or deep blues can also enrich the space. Third tip, incorporate metal accents. Metal is a key material in industrial design. Use it for light fixtures, bar stools, cabinet handles, or even as part of your dining table design. Brushed steel, iron, and copper can bring that industrial edge to your kitchen and dining area. Fourth tip, open shelving and hanging storage. Use open shelving made of reclaimed wood or metal to store dishes, glasses, or kitchen essentials. Hanging pots and pans from a ceiling rack not only saves space, but also adds to the industrial vibe. For the fifth tip, choose industrial-style lighting. Lighting is crucial in setting the mood. Go for pendant lights with metal finishes, Edison bulb fixtures, or track lighting. These styles complement the industrial theme and provide functional, adjustable lighting. For the last and important tip, choose a functional furniture with a rustic touch. Select furniture that is both functional and has a rustic or vintage feel. Now, let's start looking on Amazon for furniture that fits well with the industrial style of our dining and kitchen areas. First, let's find a dining table that matches the industrial look of our dining area. This one looks great. This is a Christopher Knight Home brand Della Acacia wood dining table with rustic metal worth $192. This table is both sturdy as well as pleasant to look at, matching it with this unique metal dining chairs. Set of 4 that will cost $103. Both are a perfect match, offer durability, and enhances the cohesive and aesthetic appeal of the area. Let's also add this Vingiasin placemat set of 4, also this Amhome white porcelain dinner plates. And for utensils and glass, let's pick this silverware flatware cutlery set and this Libby Ascent tumbler and rocks glass set. All of this will cost $123. Let's go to our kitchen area. First, let's find a sink that complements our design style. We'll choose this Coart Inc. brand black kitchen sink, crafted from stainless steel, priced at $151. To match it, we'll select this DJS brand kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer, also made from stainless steel, costing $39. They pair perfectly together. Now let's find a range that matches our industrial-style kitchen. This one is a great choice. This is Thermomate stainless steel gas range top with flame-out protection, priced at $460. Pair it with this AKDY brand wall mount range hood worth $140. This will enhance the kitchen design, especially in an industrial-style setting where these elements can become focal points of design. For food preservation and to harmonize with other elements like countertop, exposed pipes, and open shelving, let's add this Kenmore brand top freezer refrigerator priced at $765. Next, let's also add this Mamu pot hanging rack worth $40. This is a practical idea for a space-saving solution that also serves as an aesthetic feature, emphasizing functionality and raw, exposed materials. For our nook area, let's add these Walker Edison brand industrial leather armless chairs, valued at $130. These chairs maximize space utilization and fit perfectly in the corner. Next, let's also include this Boosteria brand LED track lighting, priced at $50. It offers adjustable lighting solutions that enhance both the usability and aesthetic appeal of the kitchen. To add more style and functionality to our space, let's select and add this Azingshu and Ushi Dome brand industrial pendant light, which together will cost $164. Remember, the key to industrial design is a balance between the raw, unfinished elements and a sense of welcoming warmth and functionality. Do you want more videos like this? Stay tuned for our next video series where we'll tackle the bedroom area. Don't miss out on this. And don't forget to check out the list of products we've mentioned. You'll find it in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you if you decide to make a purchase. This helps support the channel and allows us to continue making videos like this. And also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for your support.